Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change password in your Meesho app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all, you need to have a Meesho supplier account in order to change your password. So you need to first get signed into your Meesho supplier app and press on the settings option. So once you press on settings, you can find the change password option right there, where you can find the current password, new password, and retype your new password. So as you have the current password mailed in your email address, you need to first type in your current password and type in new password, which has all the essential requirements. Now finally, you need to type in your new password to reconfirm, and that's how you will be able to change your password on Meesho. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.